Caspercito. Yes, today we are again back with Swedish guy. I mean Sweden guy, and he is from Sweden. That's why I'm using Swedish is a language, right? And he is from Sweden. And Caspercito. It's a Despacito, but it's her. His name is Casper Committees. And sorry for my English. Her, his, he, she, he. I am really fed up sometimes. And Casper Committees, Coltrane. I ska vinna lät Idol 2020 Idol Sverige Igen ska win. Yes, hope I am right. If I am wrong, then I apologize. I am sorry. I am really sorry. And please tell me, I mean support original video which I already put in description. And please vote for Casper Committees. He is really very nice guy. He's kind guy with kind voice. His voice is very cool, and maybe he is in relationship with one judge because they are always flirt each other, and I have doubt they are in relationship. Not ship. Okay, now let's make reaction. We will talk after. So guys, 1, 2, 3. Now let's play. Oh, well, play. Oh, look at his smile. Oh, I like his cap. Even he grow his mustache, and I shave my face. Make it out alive. Oh, and all of these people, yeah, all these people, they stay in the comfort. So scared to see, no hide and seek no more. Oh, you are. They're running away from yourself, but there's nowhere to hide. I am not singing, by the way. He's singing about sea, and look at the background, it's also sea. Whoa. I was caught in the cold train. I was caught in the cold rain, river flow. I was caught in the cold train, caught in the cold river flow. He little bit look like Big Show in WWE. It's in beer style. Rhythm and rhythm. Ah, his girlfriend.
Varsågod, Kirsti.
Kasper, jag sitter här och nyper min kollega i armen här för att den här texten är
Harman Hara.
Det här blev som ett anthem. Det här var
Maybe
det var stort.
they will again flirt whenever his girlfriend will talk.
Det är också en låt som du har haft med gitarr, och så får du liksom höra ett band arrangera upp den och det bara blir liv av låten.
Babelid.
Som betraktas så tror jag att det här är en sån här härlig långt liv. Det är liksom ingen så övergrepps-catchy.
Look at the back.
Utan det kan långt liv. Mycket fint.
Ja, det är liksom klassiskt skriven den där låten, så klassiska låtar liksom, hur man skriver dem. Och någonting som slår mig, det är hur du gör allting. Du är som en sån här stjärnkock som slår upp en bea, det var så är den klar, eller så liksom åker man båten, det är liksom det. Och då ska
He have a good smile, right?
Rakt nu så säger jag bara så här: don't change a thing.
No, see the thing.
Jag vill ta vidare på, det är din
girlfriend of Casper. I think, if I'm wrong, then please tell me in my section.
De kommer inte bli besvikna nu när de också får höra din egen skrivna låt. Du håller dig till det varumärke och löfte du har ut jättefort.
Vi är här för att visa.
Ja, nice.
Hej!
Har du lyckats?
Tack så jättemycket.
Whenever I react on Casper comedies, he always make us shock, like shock laga, shock laga, and his voice really amazing, especially when he too much rhythm he rhythm गा रहा था, like wow. I know my voice is like a pig, so don't judge me, okay? Because we are not judge. And also please tell me guys, relation between Casper and this judge, because she really look like Indian. I have something like excitement level high, because is she from Sweden or India? Please tell me in the comment section. And please guys, vote for Casper comedies, and you can vote or not. If we Indian can vote for Casper comedies, so please tell me how, or we have to live in Sweden. And also guys, many Indian people living in Sweden, so please vote for Sweden. It's from Sweden Idol, so make sure you vote for Casper comedies. Okay, thank you so much. How to say thank you and I love you in Sweden, because whenever we go there, if we fall in love with someone, then we need to know how to say everything, okay? And also guys, in Sweden, people know English or not? If not, then maybe they know everything, but they like to talk in Dutch, German, Swedish and many European languages, so I can understand. So it's okay. Now see you next video, guys. Okay, and don't forget to share, like, subscribe, everything you want to do, just do. And also tell me which type of video you want to see next. I will make definitely. Okay, bye bye. Love you too. Thank you.